Let's make some chicken wings in the Blackstone E-Series Pizza Oven. We're going to start with some fresh chicken wings from the grocery store. We got all flats here just because that's what my family prefers. We're going to start by patting these dry with a paper towel. Then we're going to throw them into a large stainless steel mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of oil. This will allow all the seasonings to stick. Give those a quick toss in that oil. Then for every pound of chicken wings we have, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I have several pounds of wings here, so I'm adding several teaspoons to this. Half a teaspoon of white pepper. White pepper is the secret for this recipe. It really adds all the flavor. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Remember, this is for every pound of chicken wings. I'm going to give these wings a good toss in all of those seasonings. Then I'm going to preheat my Blackstone E-Series Pizza Oven. I'm going to set it to the air fryer function, leave it at the default 400-degree temp, and set the timer for 30 minutes. While that's preheating, I'm going to get my wings spread out on my pan. Once it's preheated, I'll stick them in and let them cook for about 15 minutes. About halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to pull these out and give them a flip so that we're cooking both sides. When these are done, I'm going to pull them out. These are going to be really nice and crispy thanks to that baking powder and cornstarch along with that oil. Just listen to the crispiness of that skin. Then I'm going to get them sauced up, so I'm going to take a portion of the wings and put them in a container. I'm going to make some Japanese BBQ wings here and use my Japanese barbecue sauce. Put a generous amount of that in the container, throw the lid on and give them a gentle toss. This covers the wings completely in that sauce. Get them plated up, ready to serve. Finish it off with a sprinkling of some sesame seeds. Serve it with a side of ranch or blue cheese, whatever you prefer. These are so quick and easy and so good and crispy. Hope you give them a try. Let me know if you do in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.